Well, in this video, we are going to make the last fix to this glove, and for that we will make use of a new technique or a new tool. This tool is quite useful when you are making characters, as it allows to add a certain level of texture very easily and looks great. For that, we are going to do a few masks first. One here, this one. And for the next one, we are going to mask everything below this line. For this, I recommend lowering the focal shift to -100 and lowering these dots for freehands. Holding down Ctrl, we will start painting until we cover everything we need. Well, as that is something that takes time, we will advance the video and we will show the final result. Well, the idea is that we have the glove in this way, masked at the top and at the bottom. After that, we are going to invert the mask and we are going to go to the panel surface. The panel surface that we see below, and we open the options Noise. As you can see, a table appeared, and that is the noise box where we can modify the values to make the textures look very small or very large. That depending on what we need. For example, in scale, we can increase the size of the noise, but for now we will leave it as it comes by default. Here is predicting how it will be. I mean, it doesn't mean that it was already applied, it's only a way to show what the final result will be. What we do in this case, once we see how we want the size and shape of the noise, is to press OK. And lastly, we simply apply the mesh. OK, done, because in case we got to move or modify the shape of the geometry without giving this option, we will not apply the noise we just generated. And here we have our result. We have a texture that makes the glove look a bit porous, both above and below. This same technique that you just saw was the one that I applied to a character that I showed in the free course of ZBrush, which was the Joker, and this technique was applied to make the pores of the skin. It is very simple and very useful for this type of characters. This is all for this video. I hope you liked the technique. See you in the next video to start with the boots. See ya!